Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about a filter of volatility and how to identify next day will be volatile or not, and what we can expect from the market in the next day or the week. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you go and check videos about Wix and the B-Wall. I already posted this educational video. Also, I recommend you to go and check the video how to work with economic calendar. It can be the forex factory, what I use personally, or it can be the investing website, or you can use even the economic calendar inside the TradingView. So we will not waste the time again explaining you what is B-Wall or what is forex factory, how to work with. I want to show you the few moments how you can, looking on the chart, identify more accurate what probably will happen next day, but we will identify not direction. Direction we have to use, technical analysis, the indicators, the zones. We work with structure, market structure to identify the direction. But today we want to talk about, the filter of volatility, because I want to show you the example here. For example, this was February 21. Everything should be in complex, of course. This is a daily time frame. Here we got a range of this day. Next, it was, by the way, the Friday. Next was Saturday and a Sunday. This next 2 days traded inside previous Friday. So Friday was pretty volatile. Next 2 days and volatility almost all the time less on weekends, because if we got pumps or dumps, crazy dumps on Saturday or Sunday, you can be sure, for example, Monday we will open in the opposite way. So if it's a pump on weekends, we will see the dump or correction, healthy correction, so Monday, Tuesday. So you can be sure. So how to work with this data? For example, at this current moment, here we can't know what will happen next. I mean, we understand we will see some of direction, up or down for sure. But we talk about opportunity for the trades, because this day is not a good one for the trades. Definitely, because you need to use the bigger leverages to get some gains, right? Intraday trades, right? This is not a good day for the trades, definitely, guys. Of course, this one is much better trade, because we traded between the 94K 500s and 99, almost 100K. So the bigger range for us, like traders, we talk now not about investment. We talk about trades. So sometimes we have bad days or some small volatility in the market. It's not give us the chance to open the good position. That's the point. That's why you don't need to click the buttons randomly and waste the money. You pay the fee for exchanges, when you open trades, just because you think you're more productive, right? No, it doesn't work like this one. So we have to pay attention for B-Wall and the days. So economic calendar, we use the forex factory for this one. So we mark before this week, we mark the K events which can affect the price. Once I posted this K events, recently I trying to post all the time at the beginning of a week, upcoming K events. One guy on the Binance feed write me in the comments, so this is just random events because excuses. It's not excuses, guys. It's not excuses for what? It's just the events what we're trying to catch the moves, because we know exact time. It's not random. We know exact time when in the United States the core CPI will be posted, and exactly at that time, before or after, or exactly at that same second when they post the data, we'll see the volatility. That's the point. That's why we can prepare ourselves for the upcoming trades. So this is not a random events. It's not about the pump and dump. It's about the opportunity to trade, to open trade or not. And I'm not a fan to a trade of. Well, I'm not a fan of trades in news. Mostly I skip the news or open the trades after the fact, because it's like with current the situation with Trump, it's always like a gamble. 100%. You can't know. They will post the data. After that, a few seconds, the Trump will comment that data, and we move in totally opposite way. So we have to pay attention for the economic calendar. Then we have to pay attention for the previous day, previous week. Now I showed you an example on the days. We have to understand what's going on inside this day range. So we got a volatile day, and if next day we got let's check this one. So we understand Monday, probably we got over than 50% chances Monday after the Asia session, we will open with a good volatility. It's give us the option, it's give us the opportunity to open trades. And up or down, we have to understand in the complex, so it's all about analysis. So of course, here in the context, we have to work. And the next day, Monday, so this was a Sunday, February 23. Also, we use the volatile here, the February. This is a Friday. Normal good candle, right? Volatile was green, but volatile was a low, bigger one, but red one on B wall. And here's a Sunday, tiny volatility. And take a look, the Monday. So you understand, you prepare yourself before the Monday. You're ready for trades. So this is how you can predict the volatile day. Bam, great. So you could even open if you saw your setup, you could open even the trade that day on Sunday here. I could not open the trades because I could wait to at least, I don't know, the full fill. Here I could open position. Here I'm not. But of course you could open position here with a 3% stop losses and catch exact on Monday 5% trade with second leverage 10%. Pretty good one. After that, we understand here, this is liquidity pool. So definitely we're gonna sweep it. This one. And what happened next? Trade, bam. So continuation of the volatile. So volatile, B wall, 24-hour going higher. And here the Wednesday, we got pose, bam, this one, and we got a buyers at some K level. And what happened next? Bam. Once again, the volatility goes down. Right, so we got like a range. It's 12 time frame. This candle give us the information. Next few days will be less volatile, but prepare yourself for some major move, and we can get the good ride, good trades. Take a look after this drop. We got once again the last volatile days. One drop again. But of course, we have to pay attention for the news. And to identify the K movements, I usually use the money power indicator. So here, no money inflow. It's giving me the information, the data. So most likely, we will see the weekend flat. And if I will not see the Monday money inflow, we continue the downtrend. And it's happening. Here we got a buyers, money inflow, money inflow, money inflow. We got a buyers. What happened next? We got a bump. Not a big one, of course, but 3%. Now we form the range again. But now it's this candle. This one and this one. So we trade inside the range. Two, let's check this one. Not a two, one. One day we trade inside this one, so we got one more information. So we will see the volatility day. Friday 28, it was the last day of months. Friday 28, this one. Green pump, and after that, drop. on volatile. And we still trade inside this range. So here, this one. And boom. 1, 2, 3 days we trade inside. Again, volatile pump. So guys, this is a way how you can predict the next upcoming volatility days for the trades. So it's not about the predict the direction. No, it's about how to predict the volatility day for the good days for trades, right? We leave this one and this move. So technically, yes, we trade still here. Sooner or later, basically, this is a Friday. I guess if we'll see the pump on weekend, right? Most likely we'll see something like this one on Monday. If we'll see this move on weekend inside this range or the drop, most likely we'll see the recovery move on Monday and Tuesday. So this is a way how you can read the candles, how you can work with economic calendar. And the next week, basically this one, Monday, core retail sales, import state manufacturing index, here, federal funds rate. So we can be ready for potential flat inside this move or drop on weekends. And we can be ready for Fed rates Wednesday, March 19. After that, FOMC statement, FOMC press conference. And of course, on Thursday, we got like unemployment claims. So it's good one. So this is a way, and you can mark the days, where the horizontal vertical line. You can be ready here at this day and 21, right? And 20, this one. So you can skip all of these days, right? And trade before the Wednesday. It depends of where we will be at by end of Tuesday. You can understand what candle size will be by end of Tuesday. You can understand in theory, the direction of the price movement, because we analyze the sentiment now and what people expect from the federal rate. And you can catch the great move on Wednesday. So be sure on Wednesday we will see the great volatile day. You can mark even here. Also this one, like vertical line. March 19 will be the pretty good one. Also, by the way, the trading view that showed you the upcoming events here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Highly recommend you go and check how to work with economic calendar, how to work with the B-wall and the VIX for S&P 500. If you would like to trade with my customer cassette, write me DM. I mentioned also the direction indicator. Sometimes I use it like additional also for accumulation, right? But mostly I use the money power, And here, yes, we got that accumulation. So guys, I hope you like this video, and don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.